Okay, so first of all, we will look at the simple covalent compounds. Yeah, so your simple covalent compounds, or I would say simple covalent substances. Okay, again, meaning to say your H2, N2, O2, and all your group 7, F2, Cl2, Br2, I2, right? As well as, for example, your simple compounds like water, H2O, carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, ammonia, NH3. These are all simple covalent substance. Okay, generally they are soft. Okay, the properties that result from it is they are soft. Why? Because they only need a small amount of energy. The small amount of energy is needed to overcome the weak intermolecular forces of attraction. Okay, that's holding the discrete molecules together. So they also have, this also will correspond to a low melting point and low boiling point. Okay, why? Because again, small amount of energy is needed. So they have low melting point, low boiling point, right? And then this also means that they are usually liquid and gases at room temperature and pressure. Okay, the next property that we are going to look at is the electrical conductivity. Okay, so simple molecular substance, they do not conduct electricity in any state as they do not have mobile charge carriers. Okay, they do not have mobile charge carriers such as ions or mobile electrons. Okay, so for covalent compounds, simple covalent compounds, they share the electrons. So the electrons are shared. They don't form plus, they also don't form minus, so there's no charge carriers, they cannot conduct electricity. Okay, there are some special cases, however, in compounds where they can dissociate to form ions in water. The most common covalent compound that can dissociate, or they are soluble, or they can ionize in water to form ions is, for example, your HCl, your hydrochloric acid. So HCl over here, usually when we look at it, okay, your hydrogen is a non-metal, your chlorine is a non-metal. Non-metal, they form covalent bond. When we draw the dot and cross diagram, it will look like this. Okay, this is the covalent compound and they are in noble gas configuration. So this is usually gas, your hydrogen chloride gas. But when I put this inside water, a beaker of water, okay, when I put this HCl inside water, they will dissociate or ionize or dissolve to form H plus and Cl minus. So H plus and Cl minus, these are charge carriers. So they are mobile charge carriers. The hydrogen ions and the chloride ions will act as charge carriers to conduct electricity. So there are special cases for your simple covalent compounds to conduct electricity.